Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the Microsoft account on the Windows 11. So first of all, and of course, all you need to do, just go and open your settings on your Windows 11 computer. For me, I'm just going to click at the Windows key on my keyboard, and simply I'm just going to write settings and click at the enter button. That should open this page for me. And here, of course, I would like to go to accounts here. Once I am here, I would like to scroll down a bit into this other users, and once I am here, just select that. So normally here, if you have like a lot of accounts, so let's just add an account as an example. Once you click at add an account, of course you will have to add your email or phone, then click at next, 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 and the boring stuff of actually adding an account. For me, I don't have an account to remove here, but for you, you'd like to select the person's name or email address. Simply, once you select it, you will have the remove option. Just select it and read the disclosure and select the delete account and data. Note that this will not delete the person's Microsoft account, but it will remove their sign-in info and account data from that PC or from your PC, because it will not be available to delete the Microsoft account unless you go to the Microsoft account website and delete it from there, because you cannot delete it from just a PC. Here you'll be able just to remove the Microsoft account from your PC or from any other PC you would like to. So as you said, just select the user that you want to remove, and once you select it, you will have the remove option. Click on it, and of course you will have just to click add delete account and data, and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.